I don't like this. I was always against festivals. I like festivals, but we had at the beginning we had some little bit fight. With this. I remember at the beginning we've been like a resistance of this music, and this culture. And I remember this, that festivals and this reality, they hate us, at the beginning. So, because our, vision was different um, and good, with a good quality. So, but they had a, very, bardzo wygodny, jak jest?
Yeah, they have very comfortable
Comfortable.
feeling about.
Yeah, because they had, people from United States, embassy give them, money. So we have a festival, and what we need more. But we had a lot of questions, about this, and the questions, for me it was very easy to ask about very controversial things, like because this my childhood and everything. For me, it was I ask about everything. So I remember we played music from towns, like Jewish folklore from cities, like, and sometimes the text was like about some hooker or someone like this. So this was completely, this was border for these people from a festival reality, and people like writers, that they write about, Holocaust and everything. The woman who write this, for me, she she felt some special, like someone special, because she had some Jewish roots, In general, in Poland, still you have, but at this time it was a time of, jak jest fetyszyzacja?
Fetishization.
Yes, fetishization of this culture, that, okay, we, and you and something, yes, you do something, you can do something with the Jewish culture, but we know, something like that. So I hated this, and we fighting with these people, and we ask them, what about this, because they sometimes they coming to for our concerts, and they told me after, oh, it's not Jewish music, and I asked them, what is Jewish music, because I never find some notes from Poland, recordings or something. So from where you have this knowledge about Jewish music? Because I feel this. So my feelings are different from your feelings. So we had a lot of stories like this, and we fighting with this fetishization. And so our idea, amazing idea. I don't know. It happened by accident, but we play. I come back to my childhood, I started play in places for every jakich jest wykluczonych takich wyrzutków.
Yeah, in very places like out of on the like marginal places.
Yes, and the people who was marginal, like at beginning of this century was the people outside was gay, lesbians, and some crazy artists, and our career it starts in places like this, like we play everywhere and always in the underground, and we play Jewish music. It was amazing, and people ask about this, and we always talk about this. Okay, we have this, you have this, and we have this, and we can tomorrow we will play second concert with the gypsy tradition or blues. I don't know. So everything is our, not we don't have a borders, So this band was for me. This movement, I think, small but still, was first movement who talk about this, that Jewish culture is normal. It's not. No, it's something special in this culture. Is this that it's very eclectic? Yes, that you have a lot of influences from another music traditions, but generally it's No, it's one of the culture, and we always speak about this. So for people, it was very controversial, because second thing is this that it's very big business, the Jewish culture, because you have a lot of festivals, and this that you want to keep people in this Holocaust trauma, it's a business,